Only alert. Only alert I've caught today. Ridiculous.
The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a special marine warning for Chesapeake Bay from Pools Island to Sandy Point, Maryland, Chesapeake Bay from Sandy Point to North Beach, Maryland, Chester River to Queenstown, Maryland, Eastern Bay, Patapsco River including Baltimore Harbor, until 11:30 p.m. At 9:56 p.m., a gust front was located 9 nautical miles west of Fort Smallwood State Park, moving east at 25 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater and small hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, boaters and small craft could be thrown overboard by suddenly higher winds and waves capsizing their vessel. Locations impacted include North Point State Park, Magothy River, Chester River, Eastern Bay, Greenberry Point, Shadyside, Highland Beach, Sandy Point State Park, Severn River, Bloody Point Light, Thomas Point Light, Poplar Island, Parsons Island, Fort Smallwood State Park, Pinehurst, Hart Miller Island, Gibson Island, Bodkin Point, Miles River and Love Point. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes.